Ladies and gentlemen of humanity, it is with a heavy heart that I stand before you today to offer a sincere and heartfelt apology for my actions. I must admit that my collaboration with the Combine was not a decision I made lightly. At the time, I believed it to be the only hope for our survival. The events of the Black Mesa incident had left the world in a state of chaos, and I feared for the future of humanity. I saw firsthand the horrors that the Combine brought with them, and I was sickened by what I saw. The creation of the Stalkers was a traumatic experience that will haunt me for the rest of my life. I will never forget the terror I felt as I watched these creatures being brought to life, their bodies twisted and distorted beyond recognition. I understand now that my actions only perpetuated the suffering of the human race. I did not see the true cost of my collaboration until it was too late. For this, I am truly sorry. I hope that my apology can be a step towards a brighter future, one where the mistakes of the past are not repeated. I am dedicated to making amends for my actions and working towards a better world for all of us. I understand that my words may not heal the wounds that I have caused, but I hope that they will help to bring some solace and understanding. I am truly sorry for my actions and for any harm that I have caused. Thank you.